If you're watching this video, that means you watched the last video. And in the last video, I had just set up the gold bot on the 1 minute chart using trusted signals and automated trader. And I just wanted to go ahead and report back. As you guys can see right here, we have $600 profit, $688 profit in the last 24 hours. And this is all fully automated using trusted signals, know when exactly to buy, an automated trader where you can automate any indicator, any strategy online. Okay. Right now, if you guys are automated trader lifetime members, you guys now have access to TradingView, which I'm gonna go ahead and set up right now. And then we're gonna actually be trading this chart MNQ. I'm gonna go ahead and set that up in a second. But yeah, guys, we have big things popping inside the chat. Make sure you guys join. I can't wait to see you guys on the inside. All right, 24 hours later, doing just 0.4s on gold. All right, almost $700 profit. Doesn't get better than that. Until the next video, guys, I'm out. Peace.